Have you ever posted something on Instagram and wish people could tap on the image to visit your website? Instead, you're always saying, check the link in bio. Well, I have found a free tool that fixes that. So this is the tool you can see on your screen right now. So let me show you how this actually works. So let's get started. As soon you open this website, you will see this home page. You will also see an option called upload an image. You can just upload an image from here, or you can just drop an image. So I will just drop an image from here. You can see I will just drop this image. You can select JPG, PNG or images up to 15 megabytes. So it works with almost any photo or graphic. Once your image finish uploading, you will immediately see a preview on the right side. You will also notice that there is a dedicated space reserved for the QR code in the top right corner of your image. This helps make sure that the keyword stays visible without covering the important parts of your content. Now let's move on to the next step. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find add your destination link section. Here you can paste any URL you want people to visit. It could be your YouTube channel, your online store, your latest product, your portfolio, newsletter, or literally any kind of website you want. Below that, simply you can enter your Instagram username. So first of all, I will enter a URL that I want people to visit. Now all you have to do is just click on this generate link button. So I will just click on this. Now it will take around 10 to 20 seconds, and now if you scroll down, you will see your image with the QR code already placed in the top right corner. If you prefer, you can download your image in both extension PNG and JPEG. You can click on download image button, and that's it. Your Instagram image is now ready to post. When someone sees your post, they can simply scan the QR code with your phone and they will instantly redirect it to your website or whatever destination you selected. There is no complicated setup or extra editing required. Now here's one of my favorite features. If you decide to create a free account, you can just click on create an account and you can create your free account. You will unlock even more features. You will able to manage your all QR from one dashboard. Just click on this dashboard button and here you will see all of your links that you created, all of your images you have created. So I will just click on this and here you can also see the number of clicks, open details, and even you can delete this from here. And we have the 0 click, and if you want to add a new link here, just click on new link and you can just drag and drop a new image too. Overall, I think this is one of those simple tools that solves a real problem for Instagram creators. Whether you are promoting a YouTube video, selling products, sharing affiliate links, growing your newsletter, or driving traffic to your website, this makes process so much easier than constantly telling people to check the link in their bio. Head over to the link in the description box below, upload an image and add your link, and you are ready to go in under 1 minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI content,